So now we're going to try to write the equation of a parabola given the graph. So I have a parabola, and I know that the vertex of that parabola is 2, 2. And I also know I can find at least one coordinate at 3, 0. So we're going to start with the vertex form of the parabola. F of x equals a times x minus c squared plus d. Remember that we could use that h and k there instead of c and d, but it really doesn't make a difference. And our vertex is our c and our d. So we're going to rewrite our equation, but instead of x minus c, we're going to write x minus 2 squared. So remember that we always move the opposite sign with our translations. So even though it's positive 2, we're going to have minus 2 in the parentheses, and then plus 2 outside the parentheses. So I almost have a completed equation here, except for the fact that I have the coefficient a. So to try to solve for a, that's where I'm going to use the other point. I'm going to remember that that point is an x and a y, so I can take the 0 and plug it in for y, and I can take that 3 and plug it in for x. And now I have a new equation with a single variable of a in it. So I just need to solve that equation. So 3 minus 2 is 1 squared plus 2. So I get 1a plus 2, and a equals negative 2. So now I know that the equation of that parabola is f of x equals negative 2 times the quantity x minus 2 squared plus 2. So let's try that again. Again, I'm going to find the vertex of my parabola, negative 2, 2, and I'm going to find an additional point. In this case, the additional point is 0, 3. I'm going to start with the vertex form. So we'll call this one g of x equals a times x plus 2 squared plus 2. Remember, we're going to do the opposite sign of that x coordinate. Now I need to find my a, so I'm going to plug in 3 for my y and 0 for my x. Now we'll simplify this equation. Subtract 2, and I get 1/4 equals a. So my function is g of x equals 1/4 times x plus 2 squared plus 2.